This video will show you how to create inventory drip feed from Channel Manager.
AxisRoom lets you
Easily control room release flow across OTAs with inventory drip feed. Let's see how. Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you on how to create drip feed from Channel Manager, or also known as inventory drip feed. So firstly, I'd like to let you know the objective of introducing inventory drip feed feature in a Channel Manager is to give users better control over group bookings and maintain consistent pricing across OTAs. This feature allows users to gradually release room inventory, helping prevent large group bookings at the same rates. So let's begin. First, log into your Channel Manager. Click on your property name, and on top you can view the settings. Click on Settings, and then you can find Inventory Drip Feed.
click on Inventory Drip Feed, and the same will get redirected to our drip feed page. So, first you need to create the configuration or set the configuration.
Give a name for your drip. Okay, the start and end date. So I'll be selecting the start and end date. Select the room type, or if there's any blockout date which you'd like to enter, you can add that date here. Okay, so we do have an option to select particular channels. If you'd like to apply the drip for any particular channels, you can select that. Or if you would like to apply it for all the OTAs, you can select all. So what is the drip based on? For example, if you have total 10 inventory, so on that 10, what is the drip which you'd like to set? So out of 10, if you want just minimum as 2 inventory to be pushed to all the OTAs, so basically you need to enter 2. So initially you'll have 10. In that, only 2 inventory will go to all the OTAs. From that 2, if you receive booking of 2 inventories, then another 2 will go. Then, after receiving the bookings for another 2, again, another 2 inventory will go. So based like this, the drip will be, the flow will be going on until complete inventory is booked. So instead of bulk inventory being pushed to the OTAs, we are pushing the drip, due to which 2-to-2 inventory is going, as and when the booking is getting picked up. So I'm setting the drips to 2 for all the OTAs. As per your wish, if you'd like to increase the inventory drip to 3 or 4, as per your desired wish, as per the days of the week, you can change that. But I'd like to keep it as 2. So I'm changing it. Now I'm saving the changes. Same way you can click on drip feed. So here, you can see your drip feed, which we've created, is active. Here the status, it shows as active. Also, if you wish, you can delete this, or also you can edit this drip. And then, in drip history, you can view the past drips which we had created previously. In the past days, you can view this here. So now next, I'll be going into our inventory and pricing page by clicking on Manage Inventory and Prices. Okay, and then I'll give a sync of the inventory because we've created the fresh drip. So I'd like to get the sync to the OTAs. So I'll sync this. Unselect rates. Or if you wish to just give a fresh sync of inventory and rates, you can select that as well. So I'll select all the channels. I'll just select duplex room because I've just created for that. I'll select all the rate plans and start sync. So here, this is where our price logs reflect. You can view our inventory and price logs as per whatever the sync is going on. So here it shows as completed. So you can click on plus and you can view the drip. See, here you can see for Simpletel, for direct booking, and for booking.com. The drip is already reflecting here. So we had just set the drip till 31st July. So from August onwards, you can see the total inventory flow is going. So total 15 inventory is there. So 100% inventory is being pushed to the respective dates from 1st August. But till 31st July, we had set the drip as 2. So out of the total inventory, only 2 inventory is going to Simpletel, direct booking, and booking.com. This is how you create inventory drip. And this brings us to the end of this video on how to create inventory drip feed from Channel Manager.